Hello everyone, I have some spooky October daily kits for sale. I have 3 available. Now for these October daily kits, you'll be getting the Bootiful Nights collection, and you will also be getting these die cut shapes right here. There's 40 in the pack, and this is what it comes with. Really fun. You will also be getting the dimensional stickers from Bootiful Nights as well. Also be getting Bootiful Nights sticker sheet here, and it's double-sided. One of the reasons that I love this collection is the hollow in the collection. I do like the pastels, but I'm more usually I prefer like traditional colors for Halloween, traditional colors for Christmas, but I do like the pastel in this collection as well. So it's a fun collection with a lot of holographic images and, you know, foiling in there, and that also makes it a lot of fun. Now these words down here will be really fun to add to your October daily. The other thing that I want to mention is that the spine is 1/2 inch larger, and then it's just like maybe 1/2 inch wider around here. I know that probably won't make a huge difference, but it'll make a little bit of a difference since you're going to, you know, if you document for October, or if you use this as an October daily or just a regular Halloween album. Making this for my mother. She really likes floral patterns and things like that. That's kind of what she's into. So this is just your regular size, and then this one is the one that I made. As you can see, the spine is about 1/2 inch larger. And then I will also show you the inserts here. They're about 1/2 inch wider, so there's like 1/2 inch more there. So let's get started. I'll show you the first one here, and this one has the really beautiful jack-o'-lantern print. I also have some of the black elastic here. Now each of the inserts comes with 3 pages, except for one will come with 4 pages. So these pages you can mix and match however you like. Of course, you don't have to leave them the way I have them in here for you. You can change them up to however you want. Now in this particular one, the first one has 4. I gave an extra one in case maybe you want to document, you know, maybe the last day of Halloween. You could take one of the pages out and put it in the back, so you can insert it where you need it. Okay, and let me just show you here real quickly. So this is a regular insert, and then it's just about 1/2 inch on the edge there. Okay, and I wanted to mention that this is the Bootiful Nights collection one more time. It's really, really beautiful. You will be getting every single sheet in the collection. Some of the sheets will be doubled because they only have so many sheets, and you know, in order for me to make this a October daily, I had to double up on some of them. So you will be getting doubles of some of these. Now I made these little boxes for them to go in. They have their own little lids. And the first thing that I want to share with you here are these cute little ghosts. Now these don't go with the collection, but they're ghosts, so they can, you know, they can pretty much match anything anyways. So I included 3 of these little ghosts. Oh, they were so cute. You'll be getting one of these pocket pages that you can put anywhere that you like. In the front or the back, or if you want to do something else with it, totally up to you. I'll get to these in just a minute. I have a little story behind that. You'll be getting one of these bats. In this collection there's 2 sheets that you get cutouts with. So you'll be getting 1 sheet of each of the cutouts, and I just kind of cut them out like this so that you can, you know, have them all ready to go pretty much. There might be a few cuts that you might have to make here, obviously. But you do get the entire 2 sheets of cutouts. And you can use that for your journaling. So really fun. And then these are some of the extras that I had, and I thought that you could use these for a number of things. One, you could use these as photo mats to back your photos on, and you get quite a bunch, quite a few, and they're double-sided, so you can choose what side you want. So get some of those. And then these here, I thought you could use these as borders. You could cut them in half, use them as a border, like so, either that way or this way. Any of your Halloween punches, like your Martha Stewart edge punches or whatever, you could use an edge punch and punch them, and then they will fit inside your TN. Get quite a bunch of those as well. And then you also will be getting a few more, and this is, you can use these as photo mats as well. Or let's say you have one day that you didn't do anything and you're just going to use an October daily prompt, and but you don't want to use the pages in your October daily. So this is one idea that I thought of one evening as I was cutting these out. You could take one of these. I'm not going to use this obviously, but I'm just giving you an example. No, let me show you with this one, because then I could really fold it. But what you could do with these right here, but you didn't do anything that day, and so you have to use an October daily prompt, and you just want to maybe document that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to use this as that one day that I didn't do anything. I'm going to maybe quickly add a quick photo here, and then maybe put down your favorite movie or something a tradition that you do every year for Halloween. Whatever daily prompt you want to use, and then you could just slide it in like this. And that would be your one day that you didn't do anything, because you didn't really do a whole lot that day. It would make it, just a fun little flip that you could add there as well. You have this set up, so this would be one day, and then you could use two pages for the next day. That's kind of how I have this set up for you. But, for those days that you don't do anything and you don't want to use one of these pages, this is what you could do. And they're pretty good size, so you could, even if you wanted to add 2 photos, you could, and then journal on the back of one. You will also be getting one of these little sequin mixes, and I put together some sequins. So in this little mix here, you'll be getting some spiders, black cats, cute little jack-o'-lanterns, some ghosts, little ghost there. You will be getting some bats, which you can see right there, and there's just a bunch of fun little sequins in there. Then you also get some black, orange, and purple sequins as well. For an October daily, you have to have the numbers. So these are some of the numbers that I have for you. I have them in this little glassine bag, and I will show you what these look like here. A few of them here. So these are the numbers. A really fun idea for the numbers, but it didn't work out, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. But so you have 1 through 31, and you can staple these like on your top of your photo or just on the side, glue them down, whatever you like to do with them. I was going to do something really fun. So my daughter got me a cameo, and I haven't even used it. She got me a cameo for Christmas last year, and I haven't used it. I haven't opened it up or anything, so I just opened it up, used it for the first time, and it didn't cut all the way through. And I used the heavyweight cardstock setting, and then like the highest, deepest cut that it was available on the Silhouette machine. So anyways, I'm learning, so I'm sure I'll figure it out, but I wanted the little spider webs around the numbers. I thought that would be really, really cute. but it didn't turn out that way, so I had to go with a different route. But I did try to make it a little bit more fun and festive. I have one for each kit, and this is just a thank you. It's nothing really crazy. I just wanted a little thank you for, if you purchase one of these kits for me, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I have just a few little odds and ends as a thank you. And this is some samples of washi tape. I did go looking for some washi for you guys for these kits as well. And Michael's doesn't have a lot of washi out. I know that some of you guys said that you have like a whole thing of Halloween washi. Michael's does not have that. And so I had to just get little samples here. But each one has a sample, and I laminated this little jack-o'-lantern. So when you use up the washi samples, you can use the jack-o'-lantern to put on a paper clip or something like that. So you can still utilize and use the little jack-o'-lantern after you use the washi. You also will be getting 2 of the bows here. These will vary in different colors as well. And then just some little bits here that I wanted to include for you guys. You can use these in your OcToBeR DaiLy kits or just on other projects, whatever you'd like. These and these. So just a little thank you for purchasing my kit. I wanted to do that, and each kit will vary just a little bit, but mostly they are all the same. The washi will vary a little bit as well. Okay, so the kits are just pretty much going to be the same except for the albums. So this album, you will be getting the spiderweb print along with all the same. You'll be getting one with an extra 4 sheets. The other ones come with 3 sheets. So, and then of course they some of them are doubled up because they only have so many sheets in a pack. So, but I won't go through everything. It's kind of all the same. Just a little bit different with the paper and where they're placed and everything. So some of them have the 4 sheets in the front and some of them have the 4 sheets in the back. Otherwise, the rest are all 3 sheets for the inserts there. Everything is the same as I shared with you before. So I'm not going to go through everything because that will take quite a bit of time. But every kit is the same, but you'll be getting all the same again. So really fun. And then this is the black cat. I love this one as well. I love all of them, but they're just so much fun. It's paper, the little ghosts. Love that. And everything is pretty much the same again. And if you don't want to use this as an OcToBeR DaiLy, you can just use it as an album for Halloween. Or if you go on vacation, you can use this as maybe your Halloween vacation album. I know some people do cruises or Disney World or Disneyland, or even go to Universal, which we are probably going to do Universal next year. So, you know, if you do any vacation, that would be a fun. This would be a fun way to display it. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these OcToBeR DaiLy kits, or if you want to use it for a vacation Halloween album, or just a Halloween album in general, I think that would be really, really cute and fun. You have everything that you need to get started, and I've done all the work for you. All the information will be down below. This is for US only, please, and PayPal through friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, spooky wishes. Bye-bye.